In this video, we will learn how to use concatenate function in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some data. I have some names with the first name, middle name, last name. All names in different cell. I want to join in the one cell. Concatenate function work on joining the one or more cell together. So here I have some names with the different cell, different three cell. So I'm joining here the full name by using the concatenate function in Excel sheet. So let's start how it's done. Select the cell is equal to, enter the concatenate function. Okay, tap it. Select the first cell, comma. Select the second cell, comma. Select the third cell. Okay, then bracket close. Here you can see the full name is ready, but here have a name without space. If you want to space between these three name, so just edit this function. I just delete this all and again select the first name, comma. Use here the double quotes, then space, again double quote, then comma, then select the second text, then comma. Use the double quote, space, and again double quote, comma. Select the third name and just bracket close and enter. Here you can see the space between the name is created. So if here I want some dash after Raj, then just edit the formula here. In between the double quote, just enter the underscore and just bracket close. That's it. When I drag this formula and I just copy paste this formula, that's it. Here you see all name is same, joined. Okay, if I want to remove this dash, so I just edit it function and just bracket. I just copy paste the below cell also. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.